I'm Lisa and this is Brunette Wig Place. I'm so glad that you're here today. So today I am wearing the gorgeous human hair wig from Uniwigs. This is Mood, and I had done an unboxing video that's a few videos below this one. If you remember that, I don't know if you've watched it or not, but really pretty piece. I was excited to just show you my reaction to seeing it right out of the box and everything. And this is my first experience with human hair. And I'm excited about it, but it also does have its challenges. I mean, it's, you know, I can't believe how spoiled I've gotten by synthetic wigs. Just in almost a little less than 2 years time. I'll have my wigiversary is like November 2nd, I think. And up to this point, once I started wearing wigs, I've always worn synthetics. So getting the opportunity to review a human hair piece, I was super excited, but at the same time, super nervous because I don't know, I was amazed at how I'm fumbling around with like blow dryers and hair tools and stuff that I used on my head for years, you know, but I'm sitting here like, I don't know how to style hair anymore. So it's been fun. I've been playing around with it and I'm so excited that I get to bring you my opinions on this beautiful piece. So let's get into the review. Uniwigs also gave me a coupon code for this, so you can save 15% off on this piece with the code BRUNETTE at checkout. And I will link all the information for purchase below. Okay, so Mood is a 20-inch long piece. I will do a turn, but I'm gonna have to back up so you can see all of this length. She is gorgeous. So 20 inches long. Here's my right side, the back, so you can see, am I far enough? Yeah, okay. You can see she's long back there. My left side, really pretty, and then back to the front. So all I've really done with her is, I don't know if you remember in the unboxing video I was talking about, she came with a really straight middle part, and I'm just a side parter. I was always a side parter with my hair that I had, my bio hair, so, and I've gotten really used to left side monopart, you know, and I tend to part on the left side all the time now because I've gotten so used to that, and I parted on the left and the right. I kind of switched it up when I had hair, but anyway, so I wanted to get her into a side part. So all I had to do was just get the hair a little bit damp, take the blow dryer. This is what I'm saying, like with the blow dryer, I was like, I mean, fumbling around with it like I've never used one before. It was super sad. But anyway, so I did figure it out. All it has is on and off, high, low, you know. But anyway, so I did manage to move the part over, and I'm happier with it since I moved the part. I just like, you know, that way I get a little bit of a layer here that's draping across my face, and I'm just happy with that. So as far as her cap construction, she is a lace front and she has a mono top and she's a fully hand tied. She's got a few wefts, I think, in the back. We'll have to look at that when I pop her off. But, you know, hand tied cap, really nice cap construction. And actually, whenever I was placing the order with Uniwigs for this is one thing I would advise you. If you're gonna invest in a human hair piece, you're gonna be spending a lot of money, so work with your retailer. You need to be in contact with someone, ask them about the cap constructions. This particular one has 3 different cap constructions, and I felt like I should tell them that I'm bald just so they know I'm not, you know, squishing a ponytail or anything up underneath the wig, because a lot of women who wear these wigs are wearing them to change their hair color or because they want to add length or whatever. So I wanted them to know that I'm not just wearing it as a hair change. I actually need it for hair. And that did change my requirements for the cap. So that meant that I needed to be in the fully hand-tied cap. So really nice cap construction, but just that's some of the stuff that you need to look at. It also comes in 2 sizes. I ordered just the average 22 inches because I figured I'm a 21-inch circumference. I figured I could just cinch it up, which I did, and it was super easy. And I'll show you that when I pop her off and show you the inside of the cap. But so there are, you know, again, these are the kind of things you have to look at versus a synthetic wig. With a human hair wig, you're going to be looking at different cap constructions, different sizes. Now, some synthetics, I know you can order different sizes, but this one is going by Circumference, 21-inch, 22-inch cap. There's densities on the hair. This particular one has a 130% density. I don't fully understand. My guess is that as the densities go up, the hair's thicker, because I know there's one that's similar to this that's 150 density, and it's just a little bit, looks like it has a little more hair on it. But this is perfect for me. I mean, I don't need, you know, I'm not the big permateasy poofy wig. That's not my wig preference, you know. So this is a good density for me, natural density with my face shape and my, you know, body type and everything. I'm very happy with this. So let me show you the lace front here. Now, one thing about the lace front is that I can really see the knotting. So I've been kind of looking into what you do about that. Now, since I changed the part, it doesn't bother me so much now, but I know you can put some concealer on that, and you can do some different things to hide that. And some people who make human hair wigs, I've heard that they bleach the knots. I don't really know, but like I said, I don't know about that kind of stuff. So again, questions to ask when you're investing in a human hair piece. So and then of course she has a mono part, which is nice, looks natural. Again, you can see the knotting because this one has a dark root. So, but really, really nice. So let me pop her off while we're talking about the cap, and we can look at the inside of her cap real quick. Now, when I showed her in that unboxing video, I had not cut the lace, and I did go ahead and cut the lace. So as you can see, use my pinking shears, cut that lace, just cut it real close to the hairline. So right there, right up next to the hairline, and turned out, you know, so it looks very natural. So as you can see, it's got a mono top. This one does have ear tabs. Sometimes I've also seen that they don't have ear tabs, which that's another thing I have to, you know, question. But I need ear tabs because I don't have any hair here, you know, that's going to be sticking out like a sideburn. So the ear tabs are super soft. There's lots of hair attached to them, which I like because when you pull it back in an updo, that's really important. This one has a good piece of metal in here, and it bends and stays in place really nicely. We've got hook closures here for the adjusters, and that little strap goes into the cap. So I'm sure you would need to be careful with that. It'll come hooked, and then you can hook it up more if you need to. So, you know, just something to keep in mind about that. You know, it does go inside, which is nice. It's very comfortable on my scalp. So I really, really like that. Sometimes I have these kind of, adjusters will twist on me and stuff a little bit, and I didn't have a problem with that with this. So, and then fully hand tied. I was trying to remember if there were wefts, and there's no wefts in it, obviously. So, fully hand tied cap. All that hair is hand tied into there. So, I found Uniwigs to be really easy to work with. They were super, super nice. I had ordered a synthetic from them also, and I had a great experience, you know, purchasing experience with them with that. So I've been really, really happy with them. So, but as you can see, I mean, look at this hair. Every time I put it on, I'm like, wow, I'm a princess or a mermaid. This is gorgeous. So as far as coloring on this brunette is 3 different brunettes together. So it is a dark brown at the rooting up here. And then it gradually goes into a medium brown and a chestnut brown. Really, really pretty. So you can see that variation in the color, but it's not a chunky highlight or anything like that. And all 3 colors look like a brunette to me. So no reflections of auburn or anything like that that my eye can see. So just such a pretty piece. I've just been super excited. I just feel so happy to be able to review it and, you know, share it with you guys and show it to you. So let's go outside and we will look at this shade out in the natural light. Okay, so here we are outside with this mood wig from Uniwigs, and you can see what I was talking about with that color. You can see that darkness at the root, and then you can see that medium brown and that chestnut brown. Really, really pretty. And I'm under the patio cover, like I always am, you know, to start, and then we'll go out in the sun. Just beautiful. And this hair is so soft, so pretty. Okay, so here she is out in the sun. Okay, so one more thing about her out here in the sun is that I can put my sunglasses up. I really love that. Okay, so as you can see, that brunette is just really, really pretty out there in the sun and in the natural light. So very happy with it. It was really easy, you know, for me to have my sunglasses on and off and stuff like that. The cap fits just really, really comfortably. It's super soft. I'm really happy with that. I'll show you the ear tabs, and you could tuck the hair behind the ears. The hair, you know, the density of the hair is low enough to tuck behind the ears. Now, my only thing with this is that this is it's a little long for me. So more than likely, I'm probably gonna have, you know, about 6 inches taken off of this. And then I think for me personally, it'll be a more comfortable length. But I wanna show it to you in the length that it comes in and everything. So here are those ear tabs. They're nice. I have great coverage, you know, around there. Like I said, good sized piece of metal. Metal goes all the way to there. I've bent it one time. They're staying in place great. The cap feels really, really good on my head. I mean, it feels snug, it feels secure. I don't have any tape or, you know, it stays or anything like that on, and it just feels really, really good, which I'm really happy about. So as far as styling, obviously, I mean, you have all this length. You can, you know, pull it back in a clip. You could ponytail it because you've got a fully hand-tied cap, so anywhere you know, pull it up, you're gonna get that appearance of scalp. Of course, with that extended nape, if you pull it up in a ponytail, you just wanna make sure that that nape is flat and flush against your head. So, you know, really, really cute. You could go as high as you wanted to with that. I mean, you could just keep, you know, easing it up, easing it up, easing it up. Get it higher, higher, higher. You know, so you could go, I think you could easily get a high pony. Look at that gorgeous ponytail. I mean, it's pretty. Woo, very pretty. So, and then obviously you know, you can do updos, you can do braiding, kind of pulled it a little bit there. There's all kinds of things that you can do with it. So really, really a pretty piece. I'm really, really happy with it. As far as the type of hair that it has, it is premium virgin Remy human hair. And my understanding is that means the cuticle is all going the same direction. There are no little like return hairs sticking up or anything like that, which I'm really happy with. You know, and I don't think there should be when you're paying this much for a wig. So I think that's a really good thing. I'm very happy about that. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope this has been informative for you. Switching from what I usually do with the synthetics over to talking about human hair. Beautiful piece. Thank you to Uniwigs for sending me this to review for you today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.